What's wrong, Miss Melissa?
Oh, Mitzi, it's been a really hard week.
Well, sometimes life can be challenging. But you know what?
What?
Tough cookies don't crumble. And you, Miss Melissa, are one tough cookie.
Oh, thank you, Mitzi.
I think it's time for you to do something special for someone else to get your mind off your sorrows.
It's probably a good idea.
It's so important to bake someone happy. Bake just one someone happy. Bake just one heart the heart you sing to. One smile that cheers you. One face that lights when it nears you. Come on, Melissa, join me.
All right.
Bake someone happy. Bake just one someone happy. And you will be happy too.
Oh, I think you're right, Mitzi. I do feel better.
And you will be happy too.
I love you.
I love you.